This is the Saturday mock PPDT mock assessment which we are about to start for the aspirant Harsha. And this is the picture as you can see on the screen which was shown, and just everyone, each one of you can have a look on this picture, and based upon this picture what story he has written, we'll go with that story and then we're going to do the analysis of the same, right? So this is the picture. Now let's go forward and let's open up the assessment and let's see that. Okay, there we go. Okay, so okay, I believe it's readable to all. All right, Harsha, so you can start reading your story, what you have written. Once we'll listen to the complete story, then we're going to do the assessment. Over to you.
Yes, sir. From the given picture, I have perceived that the given characters, one is female with 25 age and positive mood, and rest are males with 25 age and positive mood. And the title is Adventure with Friends. The story goes on. Prakash and his friends Ravi, Suresh, Surya, Likita planned for an adventurous trip and all were ready to set go. They planned the trip in a mountainous area where they can have a camp setting and go for trekking. They all haven't planned in for any sort of vehicles as they wanted the trip to be adventurous and exciting. They all enjoyed a friendly togetherness and the camp and learned many things. At the end of the day, they when returning to home sort of something exciting, so stopped a lorry and asked for lift and went home. It was a unique experience to all and thought that such trips must be done frequently. Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Okay, all right, Harsha, fine. So now, first of all, tell me when you attempted this, when you gave this Saturday PPDT mock session on 22nd May. So by that time, you had already completed the screening success blueprint, or you still need to complete that?
No, sir, I have completed.
You have completed.
Yes, sir.
So now if you have completed, then I must say, very important, you need to do that again very, very attentively, because somewhere what you have done, you have not done it attentively and consciously, because the basic guidelines, do's and don'ts, which I have given you, that is also not being followed in this story. So first, very important guideline for you, I want you to go forward and again do the screening success blueprint.
Yes.
I have been telling earlier also, it's never about completing this journey. It's about transforming within the journey, right?
Yes, sir.
So first guideline, very clear cut after the analysis for you is go forward, do the screening success blueprint again. Now, coming on to this story as the analysis, let's do this analysis. This story is not at all acceptable because what is the crux of this story coming on? So before the crux, what is the objective of PPDT? What is the goal of PPDT? Why the PPDT is conducted? The goal of a PPDT is that we as an aspirant can actually showcase our capability, who we are as a person, what is our personality, or in other words, I can say we can showcase our officer-like qualities, or we can showcase our non-uniform officer. And that's what is being assessed by the assessor as well. That's the very objective why PPDT is conducted, and that is your goal, which you have to reflect in the PPDT. From your story, what you have to reflect? You have to reflect you as a person, your karma, what kind of an action do, what kind of a karma you do, because your karma, your action shows that what kind of a personality you are. Now, the biggest problem with the overall story is, first of all, it's a very diluted and it is a kind of a story where I am not able to focus and I'm not able to see any specific thing about your personality, you as the main person. There is a very clear-cut guideline given in Screening Success Blueprint. That is why I said, do it again attentively. There is no need to take all the names of the people to whom you can see in the picture. The moment you take so many people, you are actually diluting the impact of the hero, the one who is the central character, or in other words, that person is no one else, that person is you only. Only the name of that central person is required, otherwise no other name should be written. You will dilute the overall story. The another thing is, what you are showing here is, in the overall crux of a story, you are showing the overall emotion, feeling, and experience of all the people as a group. That they went for this, they felt this, they did this, then they were stuck up, they are very friendly, and then they took a help. They did it. The irony is, that's fine, but I really want to know about you. So from this, I am not very clear about you as a person. The idea is, please understand this. Need to understand the perspective of an assessor. When you write a story and when you consider yourself and when you're showing your action, what does that mean? That means that this person is the one who is always taking an initiative and action oriented and keeping him or her in the center and doing the karma, not putting the things on others. And that indirectly showcases the blueprint of your personality, who you are as a person, ki aap kis type ke insaan hai. And that is what is required as an assessment. But this overall story does not talk about you, but it is the general opinion. And that too opinion is like how I am feeling, what is my experience, what we did, and when we got stuck up, what we did. So the idea is the very purpose which you have to deliver into the PPDT is defeated. So that is why it is not acceptable. Is that clear, Harsha?
Yes, sir.
So please go again and do the Screening Success Blueprint course module once again, and you will get the clarity, right?
Yes, sir.
And must take this also as a very important thing. You must ask yourself. See, you must ask yourself. I have just said it right now that you have done it and you have even done the basic errors. So there is a way to work on yourself. I have told this, that means I have not pinpointed your mistake. The idea is, when such things happen, that means somewhere deep down there has been a problem in our attention while understanding that overall particular, let's say, a module or a particular concept or a particular understanding. If things like this happen, then you must ask yourself, how is it possible that I missed it even though I have done it? When you will self-inquire yourself, then somehow you will make yourself more attentive and more conscious about the process. देखो, एक आदमी ने करा नहीं, वो तो समझ आता है. हमने करा और उसके बाद भी हमने छोड़ दिया, या we just missed out. What it means? That we were not completely involved. And that's the most important thing, as I have been telling you always, always, always. Anyways, nevertheless, please do the Screening Success module again. And whatever I have explained you, I'm sure which you have understood as the assessment, as the analysis. But I'm sure once you will redo the Screening Success Blueprint consciously, you will get to know all these things in very depth, because everything has been explained in very depth over there. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Great.